If you are wondering if you can use a non-Apple charger or power adapter for your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then the answer is yes. You do not have to purchase the original Apple power adapter in order to be able to charge your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. In my case, I can use, for example, this Xiaomi power adapter. The only thing that you need to consider while purchasing a charger or power adapter is the port. For example, I have USB Type A, the port over here. This port over here is USB A, so the cable that we have inside the box, since it is USB-C on both ends, I cannot really use it in order to charge my iPhone. So in that case, I also need to get a cable that will fit. So in this case, we are looking for a cable that is USB-A into USB-C. So on one end, we can connect it to the iPhone, of course, and the other goes to the power adapter. However, there are also chargers that have USB-C port, so you can just look for them as well, and they should work just fine too. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.